So the next thing that we have to consider is error handling. Now, the way that we're going to do this is by using whoops. It's a PHP package which makes errors much easier to read and debug. You may recognize the screen from Laravel. So that's that. So what we're going to do in this video is actually install whoops and get it up and running. So to do this, we're going to go into our VM and we're going to cd into our directory. So we're going to search Composer for whoops, and any second now a list of repositories will pop up. Perfect, so we are going to take this first one here. So we're just going to require that in, and there we go. So now we have to actually code this. So inside our application class and our run method, we're going to create a new method down here, and we're going to call this init whoops. And the method name pretty much gives it away. All we're going to do inside here is initialize whoops. And we're going to call this inside the run method. So to do this, we're going to have to use whoops run, and we'll alias that. And we're also going to use whoops handler pretty page handler as whoops pretty page handler. And let's get rid of that S. Okay, so now what we're going to do is instantiate whoops, or the whoops run class. So whoops equals new whoops run. And then we're going to say whoops push handler. In fact, first we have to create the handler. So we'll say handler equals new whoops pretty page handler. And then we're going to push the handler. And then we're just going to register that. And then we'll just return this. So let's just check to make sure that we don't get any errors, which we don't. Perfect. So what happens if we now throw an exception here? Perfect, we get this familiar looking whoops screen.